Quick one guys, Google just released Nano Banana Pro and this model is way better than the old model. In this video, we are going to test that out and see the result of what we are going to get. You can now create 4K realistic images using this model, and in this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know to start using this model. We are going to test this out using Higgsfield. Higgsfield is one of the fastest AI websites when it comes to generating images and videos, and I've spoken about this website multiple times on this channel before. If you want to generate an image that you can write a text on an object in that image, you will either end up having a distorted text or a text that is not correct, but that is not the case in this model just released. This model keeps to your prompt. Anything you ask it to do is going to do that for you. Now let's test this out. First, we are going to go to Higgsfield. Just type that in your web browser and you're going to get access to this website. When you get to this website, this is the interface you are going to see. Right from here, you go to images, and from images you can see the model here, Nano Banana Pro. Just click on that and then you will see this at the bottom side here. This is where you enter in your image prompt. We are going to just test this with different image style and let's see the result that we are going to get. So from this downside here, you can either upload an image using this plus icon, or you can just use a normal text to generate your image. If you want to use a normal text, just come down here and enter in your text. From this downside here, you click here to select the aspect ratio you want to use for your image. For this aspect ratio, I'll be going with 16:9 aspect ratio. That's the YouTube landscape size. This is where you can select the quality of the image that you're looking for. We have 1K image, 2K images and 4K images. So this will save you the stress of having to upscale your image anytime you're generating an image. Let's just select the 2K image and let's test this out. Remember, they are offering an unlimited Nano Banana Pro generation. So if you enable the unlimited here, you won't be charged any credit. So I'll just enable that, or I can deselect that. Then after that, we just go ahead to click on the generate and it is very fast. So the image is generating right now. Now let's go ahead to test this using my image. So for that, I'm going to just upload my image right from here by clicking on this plus icon. I've just uploaded my image and I'll enter in my prompt. The prompt is going to be on the screen and you can use this prompt for your image. So right from here, I'll go ahead to click on the generate. While that is generating, let's take a look at the image we just generated. So this is an image we just generated. You can see how detailed this image is. See the text written on the body of the banana is clear and visible. There's no mistake at all. That's the work of this Nano Banana Pro on Higgsfield. So look at the image. We can go ahead to convert this image now to a video. If I want to go ahead to do that, I'll just click on video here and we can convert this image to a video. But before we go on with that, let's check the image we just generated using my own image. So look at the image I just generated using my image. See how clear and detailed this image is. It is my face. Everything is the same. If you were to do this with the old Nano Banana, you can't achieve this level of detailed result. Now, since we have tested this out on a realistic image, let's go ahead and test this out on a 3D character image, as most of you will want to use this character image to generate AI videos for yourself. So I'm going to just type in this prompt, and this time around we are going to select 4K quality. So let's come down here and select this 4K quality here. After that, we'll click on generate and let's see the result that we are going to get. After getting our image, I'm going to show you how to convert your image to a video using this website, so stick around. Let's check the result of this image that we have gotten. See how cool and nice, detailed and realistic this image is. Before I show you how to convert your image to a video, let me show you this one last trick. So let's say we have this particular image now. I will want to change the name of this company from this particular image to our own company name. How do you do this? To do this, you just have to come down here, click on upload image. So for this, we are going to upload the image you want to use, and now we are going to test the effect of this Nano Banana Pro if it can stick to detail. So from here, we are going to type in this prompt. So we are just enter in this prompt. Now let's click on generate. Before we come back to see the result of this image that we have just generated, let's go ahead and convert one of these images to a video. To do that, select one of the image you want to convert to a video. Let's say, for example, this particular image now. And if you want to convert it to a video, come down here where you see this video option, click on that video option, and it's going to take you to another page. This is the image we have just uploaded. So from here, I can then enter in the animation of what I want to get. And for this, let's enter enter in this description. After entering in your prompt description, then you need to come down here where you see the model. So this is where you can select model. So we have available different models that you can use. You can also use Open Sora 2 right from here. But for this, I'll be using Google View 3. So let's select Google View 3. Then come down here, select the quality 720 or 1080. Select the duration, the aspect ratio. Make sure you are using the aspect ratio of the video you uploaded. So for this example, let's go down here and click on generate. While this is still generating, let's go back and check the result of our image before we finally come to check the result of the video we have just generated. Alright, so this is the image you have just generated. Let's take a look at it. You can see that it keeps to details. So with the Nano Banana Pro, I don't think you'll be needing Photoshop. You can change any logo you want to change. For instance, if I want to change the logo icon on this, I can also change that. But let's leave it at this first, so you can see that it keeps to detail. There's no mistake when it comes to the text on an object that you want to change. And this is how you do this. So now let's go back to check our video result. Our video is ready. Let's just play that.
What is this? Nano Banana Pro.
You can see how cool and realistic that video is. Let's just go ahead and download the video. You can come here and click on this download option and your video is going to be downloaded. So what I'm going to do for you now, I'll leave the link to this website in the video description below and also in the comment section of this video so that you can get access to it. Quickly go ahead and try it out. Create images. You can start creating images for others and you make money from that. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.